Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn how to fetch links from a web page using Python. So first we are going to import request, import requests as RQ from BS4, import beautiful soap. And now we are going to from the user to enter the URL from which we want to fetch the links. Please enter the link. And we are going to check if the links contain HTTPS or HTTP. In our URL. Then we are going to get the data from that URL rq.get, and we are going to pass in the URL. Else, we are going to add the HTTPS to the URL. rq.get and add the HTTPS. Now we are going to create the instance of a beautiful soap. And we are going to pass in data's text, and we are going to create a HTML parser. And we are going to create a list of links. And for a link in soap.find all links, we are going to append to our list Now we are going to append these links to a file. With the open and our links file name links.txt in append mode. If you want to override the links, then you can use write mode as saved. And now we are going to print links. File saved. And now we need to run our program and check the output. I will type Python 3 and fetch links .py and just hit enter. And we need to enter the links, the link of a page from where we want to extract the links. I will just enter google.com and just hit enter. The links are written to a file. I need to open a links.txt. And here are our links from the page. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code. Like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for